We have a 1966 Ford Mustang. It's a genuine K-code Hi-Po car. That's the same engine that came with the Shelby. The Shelby treatment was added to this one. It's the Hertz 350H model, restored throughout. It's a K car with a K motor. They did upgrade it with a 5-speed transmission. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find price tags on 200 classic cars for sale. Each one has a monthly finance payment as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the original Shelbys, they were K cars. It's a 289, 271 horsepower. That's what's in this car. So it's special as it is. The Shelby treatment just makes it that much better. So it's a fiberglass scooped hood. So the fiberglass has a little wave, doesn't fit as well as a metal hood. But the metal fenders and body are excellent. This fender is excellent. It's straight, all real nice. There are some chips touched up. Good thing black touches up really well. But it's straight. It has the Shelby scoops on each side there. Door shuts real nice. Roof is real nice. Quarter panels are all straight. This is all real nice, straight, fits right. All nice, good, clean metal. All nice and straight. Again, Shelby scoops. Now you might have noticed the window. When they were racing, they put the plexiglass windows in the Shelbys so you could see better. And actually, I just backed this car out, and it makes a world of difference. I turned around, wasn't even thinking of it, like, wow, that does help quite a bit. So the body appears to be in real good shape. Shuts nice, clean, straight. So it's a black paint car. I've walked past this car a dozen times. It's shiny, it's beautiful. Now that I'm looking at it, there's imperfections, probably some imperfections that were in the paint originally. Here's some little chips touched up. The gold stripes are painted on, and it starts all the way down here in the valance, even underneath here, all the way up and over the top. Minor imperfections. This is all looking really good. Here the paint's touched up right there. All nice, shiny, some touch-ups on the edge here and along here. It's a little bit rough inside the gutter right here. A little textured and not as shiny. There's like a hairline, few hairline cracks going straight line right there. A couple stains on the gold stripes that are a little bit darker. So again, imperfections if you're looking for them. It still is going to impress at the car shows and your neighbors and all that. It looks beautiful. So in back, it has the GT350 gas cap and emblem, tail lights, bumper, all that stuff looks great. The rear window is very nice and clear. Door handles replaced, the rain gutters replaced. Has the bullet style racing mirrors. Windshield's very good. I won't call it new, but it looks very good. It's sitting on some Magnum 500 wheels. They're real shiny. They're reproduction, but they're not brand new. There's a little bit of tarnish right here in the groove. It has the Hertz decals in the middle. BFGoodrich tires look like they're in great shape. It has the racing hood pins, front bumper. That looks real sharp. Let's open it up, see what the rest looks like. Okay, let's look in the trunk compartment. It's tidy, it's painted, weather strips replaced. Inside is solid, it's got the mat, got a spare, has a jack. We'll get to the engine in a minute. This is an original Autolite distributor, original fuel pump. They've both been upgraded, but they'll go with the car. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new ones are posted. We have a Buy It Now button on our website next to each car. See something you like, that'll get it locked up for you. The door jambs look real decent. Weather strips were replaced at some point. The door panels, armrest, window cranks, door handles, that all looks really sharp. Dash area is looking good. Nice dash pad, nice instrument panel and knobs. Look up on the dash. That's how the Shelbys, that's where they put them. It's got a Cobra tachometer, factory radio. Clean glove box. This is our inspection sheet that'll go with the car. Interior lights are working. Kick panels are real nice. Has pony floor mats, nice carpet. Now it's I told you it's a 5-speed shifter, but it looks just like the original. I really like how they did that. That's pretty cool. Has the Shelby racing style lap belts. Seats, nice firm, new cushions, new upholstery. Carpet and mats are real nice in the back. Now the seat folds down flat. There's pictures on our website of it folded up, all reupholstered. You got seat belts, plastic's real nice. That's what the quarter windows look like from the inside. And then the headliner's been replaced. Visors and mirror look real good. And it has a Shelby style GT350 steering wheel. It does have a few cracks in it, but nice looking steering wheel. This whole car, inside and out, it's not pristine, but it's a sharp car. It's got a lot of good stuff going for it. I've literally seen genuine 65, 66 Shelbys selling for over $400,000. This is not a Shelby, but it is a K car. So that is the K engine. That's the 289, 271 horsepower. I verified it by the casting numbers. It has an aluminum intake. It has a dual feed Holley carburetor. Some nice fittings. Upgraded MSD ignition. That original distributor's in the trunk. Dressed up with some Cobra valve covers and the correct open element chrome air cleaner. Also has stainless steel headers on each side. The engine bay is nice metal, clean, smooth. It's got the horns, the correct hoses and clamps, shroud. Even has the Ford washer fluid bag. Doesn't look like it's hooked up to the washers, but it is. Well, actually, no, the hose just popped off, that's all. So yeah, nice overall engine compartment. It is a genuine K engine, and I just noticed the intake says Shelby right on it. Michael's going to take you for a drive.
We got a really cool 1966 Ford Mustang. This is K-code car, high performance, 289 in here. It does have a 5-speed manual, of course, and it has been completely restored to Shelby Hertz GT350 kind of standards, if you will. So no power steering on it, just be aware of that. But it is a really nice car all the way around. See, really stout little 289. Love the way it sounds. Really cool shifter too. The feel on the shifter is just awesome. Let's see here. We'll wait for this car to go, and then we'll let her rip. We'll see what she's got. Just like that, we're up to speed. Really light, nimble little car. Super
cool. So underneath, this car looks to be real solid. The floors, the frame rails, all that's nice, clean, dry, black metal. The front end looks like it's been completely rebuilt. All the bushings in that look fresh. Same thing in the back. It has Coney gas shocks. That's what they ran on the Shelbys. The dual exhaust system looks fresh. This has disc brakes in the front. Fuel system's been replaced. Look up at the motor. It's nice and clean. Has a nice big thinned aluminum extra capacity oil pan. Matches the valve covers. It says, I think it says Cobra right on it. They did a nice job of the 5-speed upgrade installation. Looks like an aluminum drive shaft going back to the rear end. So underneath the car is clean. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. How to get this delivered to your driveway, how to get it financed. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.